I'm the best that ever done it. The best. The best. I'm the best that ever done it.
Okay, what it do? This your boy, Big Dan, back with another video. Actually, my first official YouTube video. And we're gonna be doing a bass test in my car. So, I hooked everything up myself. And I just wanted to see what it do, how loud it is. I will be playing music by people I know, people you will get to know. So I'll show you the setup now. So what we basically have is a RE15 subwoofer hooked up to a 4200 mono block D amp, which means hella power on one speaker. So the other week I took apart my car and did my insides over, so I also have upgraded everything to kicker and JBL insides for more vocal, less bass, because the speakers I did put in there is more of a voice speaker to complement the bass versus speakers that have a bunch of bass in it. So we'll go through all that. Right now I would turn it on in front of the house, but HOA and stupid stuff like that, so we'll have to go somewhere down the street or on a street where nobody live, or in the parking lot, you know, whatever. But until then, we'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So we pulled up to the elementary school over by the house, and I'm gonna play a song my brother and I did, you know, that copyright stuff. I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna play it without the bass, just for you to hear the insides. Tell me how loud it is. That's the car. So this is without any bass at all. It's pretty loud. There is no amplifier on the inside speakers, not yet, until I hook one up. So I'm gonna add the bass now to see how loud it is. She's so special, roll with you, bro. If she let you, she in her own lane, keep it working. She waving on, and y'all still twerking. She pole dancing, shaking like. Also, you can look up Points on the Package on YouTube, Big E. I'm on a bunch of those songs. Me and my brother, you know, we do everything together. I'm finna add the bass. I tell the kitty hello, she has a back with the camel toe. Till the fly on my seat, no shit. Look for the pimple on my booty like I need no shit. She gotta dance, her and her best friend. I wanna see it. She working a little, dropping it back up, roll in the middle. Yeah, I'm out tonight, VIP. I'm in the section, all drinks on me. Best believe she over there working. I told her come so I can see what she doing. I'm intrigued by the like damn, that's tight. What's your name? So let's play another song. She said baby. I said me too. She said she got a. Let's see. Let's play another song. Where is we at? See, even on YouTube, Points on the Package. And this will be the song for this will be the intro song for my YouTube channel, because I rock with my brother Tough, and you know, might as well. Let's see.
This is a Kingpin Music original. Turn up the volume for Kingpin Music.
And this is my everyday car, nothing special. I just love music. Music is in me. It's a part of me. I love doing it. I love working with different people doing music. It just makes me happy, to be honest. So, you guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to bring as much different stuff that I do on a daily basis. I don't really care for what other people do. You know, I'm a positive person. It's about me, my family, you know, the people I love. You know, my daughter will be on here all the time because she love it. She actually put me on to trying to do it, watching different YouTube people, different YouTubers who inspired me, like CJ So Cool, CJ on 32s. I watch so many YouTubers. I look up so much stuff on YouTube, you know, so hopefully y'all love it. I'ma love doing it. My Camaro coming soon. My motorcycle coming soon, so we just gonna live life and have fun together. So if you mess with me, like, share, subscribe, leave that thumbs up, you know, leave your comments. I will be writing everybody back when I have time. So I'll see y'all next video. Peace.